Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashlyn. Today I'm doing a review and show and tell of the Wunder Puff cropped vest. So this has been a cult classic favorite by everyone who loves Lululemon, and it's been out of stock for a really long time. I've finally gotten my hands on it and I'm excited to share with you everything to do with it and show you a try on as well, give you my little first impressions and review. So this is in the black color, obviously, size 6. And what I love about this is it has a soft matte fabric, so it's super silky and soft to the touch. The 600 fill power goose down also insulates really well and provides a mid warmth on the warmth scale that Lululemon has on their tags. So I can show you right here that whenever you look at a vest or a jacket, it has a tag that shows you how warm it'll be. So this one is sort of like mid-range. It's not like super warm, so it's great for fall, spring, those colder summer months, or even the warmer winter months. And I really wanted to get the vest because it adds additional warmth to any scuba hoodie or oversized hoodie that I have, and they look really cute without like covering up the color that you have. So it's a great add-on piece. This retails for $228 Canadian. Which is quite a steep price tag, but it is a well-loved piece and it will last you a really long time. It is machine washable. You could put it on a gentle cold cycle and gently fluff in the dryer. Just some features here. It has a removable hood right here. There's buttons there so you can take it off. It has a cinchable hem at the bottom, so you'll notice on both sides there is this little contraption right here where you can cinch it in to make it more tight around the waist. It is a cropped length, so the more you cinch it, the more cropped it'll go. If you like let it out, it just looks a little bit more baggy and puffy. There is the logo on the bottom left side here at the back, and there are buttons as well as a zipper, and these are like the snap buttons. There is a logo on the hood as well, so that when the hood is down, it is facing the right way. And there is a nice zipper right here with some grippy texture, so it's really easy to zip up and down. Also, there are zippered pockets on the side, so you could leave them open, put your hands in, or just zip them up and keep them closed. And then there's also a zippered pocket on the interior as well, on both sides right here. So that's sort of an overview of the vest. This is what it looks like on the inside as well, and I'll show you what it looks like on. So right now I'm wearing the oversized full zip scuba hoodie in the shade True Navy. Underneath I'm wearing my Ebb to Street racerback tank in the cropped length, and these are the white opal braided detailed joggers, and this is the kind of outfit that I would wear my cropped hoodie with. So this is what it looks like open. Of course, if I zip it up, it's like this. And I will also show you what it looks like when it's fully uncinched. It just looks a little bit looser and more baggy around the waist area. So honestly, it is quite wide. There is a lot of room in here. Like, I could fold it over quite a bit. So you could consider sizing down. I would just be more aware of like the armholes. This is what the hood looks like. Okay, so for reference, I wanted to show you what it looks like with the full length scuba hoodie. And as you can see, the scuba hoodie would kind of show on the bottom here, as it is the full length and not the cropped like oversized hoodie. Okay, so final thoughts on this vest. In terms of sizing, I think that if you stick to your true to size, it will fit obviously, but it will be a little bit oversized. I do find that it is quite roomy in the midsection area, so if you like a more tight or well fitted look, then I would suggest sizing down one size and just being mindful of the armholes. But I do think that I would have been able to get a size 4 and it would look great and just like more fitted. So I might actually do that and exchange it for a size 4, but we will see. I know that if I do wear the oversized scuba hoodies or any other kind of, you know, all yours hoodie underneath, it would be nice to have that extra room so you don't feel too tight and restricted. But I also like the flexibility that having the cinchable hems gives you as well, just to give it a more fitted look. Overall, I would say try out your true to size first, with all the things that you'd wear underneath, and go for a size down if you'd want a more fitted look. But I'm overall very happy with this. Let me know your thoughts down below. Should I try the full jacket version? Should I get the long Wunder puff? Let me know which one's your favorite down below. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a like, and subscribe if you like more review videos and more Lululemon hauls. That's all for now. Bye!